friends, I'm Edyta from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so happy you're here. What a beautiful, beautiful quilt that we are making. We're working on our Tahoe quilt alone. You didn't know about it? This is the quilt that is the inspiration for us. I'm using the Primrose collection to make my blocks, and I'm using a beautiful kit that we have it on our website. Also, the pattern is available. If you like the Primrose colors, you need to get the kit. It is so much easier to work from the kit than try to figure out the colors. I did the work for you. So come on, join us in if you would like to. This block that we're making today, it's diamond number 8. Diamond 8. I am so excited for that one because guess what? We are 1/3 done with our diamonds. We only have 16 more diamonds and we're gonna have a beautiful quilt. This one is so simple. It's made with 4 sets. Set 1, 2, 3 and 4. All that we're going to be doing now, we're going to be sewing the sets together just like this. We're going to place them right sides together. I'm going to refresh this for you guys a little bit. I offset it right here, but the most important, I want to make sure that this diamond matches really nice here. Okay, so I turn the fabric just over to see where I am before I place my pin into it. Just like this, before I place my pin into it, just so I know it. And now I went through this seam, came out this seam, staying 1/4 inch away from this side. How do I know I'm 1/4 inch away? You can use a gauge or you can use a ruler and just measure, and it looks perfect. Just remember, when you're measuring, make sure that you are nice with your 1/4 inch and include the thread stitch in your 1/4 inch, because the thread would absorb some of the fabric, so when you open, you're gonna be a little short if you pushing it to the pin. So I always, when I measure, I include my pin in my measurements. Do you see what I'm doing? That is gonna help you guys. That little bit, that one thread is gonna make a difference if you have 4 seams that you are sewing together. Now I'm gonna be stitching from the top. Of course, I would have been putting MOA pins here to keep everything nicely in place, just like that. I have beautiful patchwork pins in front of me, so I would have pinned here, I would have pinned here. I don't have to match any seams, but I'm only pinning so during the sewing nothing shifts and moves as I'm enjoying myself and stitching. I would be sewing the sets of 2. I would be doing the same thing on this side, sew it just like this. As soon as I finish, I would put all the pieces together to a beautiful, beautiful diamond like this. Remember, open the seams and press them gently with your pressing tool, and then when you finish, you can go ahead and iron them beautifully, very gently from the top. Don't move your iron this way because you're gonna be shifting and moving the threads and things gonna be stretching. You want to keep it nice and even because we are making beautiful diamonds. And to check yourself, you can take a ruler, place it right over, and if your diamond fits right under that ruler, you are doing a great job. If not, make sure you trim it very gently, but before you trim it, check your 1/4 inch seam allowances and see where the imperfections are coming from, because it's easy to fix them. But just maybe moving your thread on your needle on your sewing machine one way or the other to create that perfect 1/4 inch seam allowance for this beautiful project. I hope you're enjoying it. Make sure you tag us on your picture and enjoy making this beautiful diamond for our Tahoe quilt alone. Happy quilting, and I look forward to another diamond tomorrow.